Be talking with two very seasoned, experienced, successful executives, Saima and Kamal from PNC and Signify, respectively. We're going to talk about why conversational AI is important. We'll talk about build versus buy, and really the performance of a business is based on how well they handle these interactions between employees and between customers. And we believe that the bottom 80% of what we call this interaction pyramid should be automated by virtual assistants. Customer service, right? A lot of the things that they're doing, they shouldn't be doing because they should be automated. So these are the top 5 problems that we hear about. So for each one of these problems, there is a conversational AI capability that solves them. How would be the way you would describe what conversational AI is doing for PNC?
So I would say conversational AI is something that can enable the users, whether they are customers or employees, in doing self-service with no prior training.
You were obviously asking for the commitment of a business unit. What was the value proposition that you gave to them?
So if your employees are doing it repetitive, you don't want to be, taking away the quality of life from your worker or from your people who are serving this manually today.
Eliminating totally the wait time. These are some of the features as a service organization we provided to our business.
What were your criteria for selecting a platform?
User experience is mostly about how good the platform can understand the intent of what the business user is trying to say.
We want to make sure that the platform provides good security standards, authentication mechanisms, and encryption mechanisms for all data in motion, data at rest.
It's about how quickly can you develop it. Can you tweak or can you have control over the accuracy of the intents that have been recognized?
Integration capability, hosting options.
What are the out-of-the-box features which are actually available for us? It's about support for multiple languages.
So the ease of use, low code, no code type of feature, and then least amount of development and more of the configuration that you can easily do through one or least amount of interfaces. The most important thing, this is the cornerstone, NLP power. How good is the NLP strength of the platform? Bottom line over there again, nobody wants to see, sorry, I don't understand what you said.
Yeah.
No one wants that. That's a chatbot 1.0 problem. Inevitably, you thought, do we build this? Do we buy this?
You would rather, benefit from somebody who is already doing it as their core business and not try to reinvent the wheel.
KPIs that you guys use to measure the performance, the success of your virtual assistants.
How well is it adopted? That's it.
Experience, right? The feedback from the users.
One of the things that we can recommend for the beginners is that even if your ultimate solution is going to be in the hands of customers, it is still recommended that you initially roll it out or pilot it with the limited users who you have a better interaction with, so you can really incorporate the feedback before you launch full production.
We have almost now 65 plus use cases which are there available in the bot.
That's awesome. That's an impressive rollout. You guys have done a great job.
Yeah, a happy customer.
I think that's an adjective. I like it.
Yeah, it's if you want to move the entire organization being more self-reliant or towards a self-service organization, conversational AI is the way to go.